Please kindly notice that the UI has been renewed. Similar tools are grouped and after tape feature is added.
When you right-click on the pattern, there will be basic functions in the pop-up menu, such as delete, copy, paste, and mirror paste. After you lock the pattern, you cannot select it again into the window. Right-click onto the background, then you can choose Unlock All Pattern Outline to unlock them. Choose Clone as Internal Shape to trace the outline of the pattern as internal shape. Then drag and move the internal shape to the side pattern and release your mouse. Choose Offset as internal line to create internal lines based on the outline. In the Offset as internal line pop-up menu, you can adjust the distance and the number. You can see there will be internal shape in the middle of the pattern. Toggle on Reverse Direction to change the direction of the duplicated internal lines. Choose Extend to extend the create lines to pattern outline. Choose Offset Pattern Outline to extend the pattern outline while maintaining its original shape. You can input the value of distance between those lines and number of offsets. Toggle on Create Internal Line to trace the original outline as internal line. Choose Extend Side Segments to extend the outline while matching the angles of the segments on either side. There are 3 kinds of corner below. You can see the pattern is bigger now. When you create patterns in the 2D window, the last pattern created is placed on the front by default. Choose Bring Forward to adjust the selected pattern to be forward of other patterns. Choose Bring Front to bring the pattern to be in front of all the other patterns. Also, you can choose other sub-menu options from Order to adjust them. Choose Zoom Extends All to set the view to reveal all patterns to the center of the 2D grid. Choose Zoom to Selected to change the view to see the whole selected pattern.